Hi guys! Another Dark Blader X5, but this one is white. Let's see how it looks and what's inside. See, I told you it's white. And it has window. Some strange greenish grey accents on it. Here again. This one comes with a single fan on the back that is black. You have your regular complement of 7 slots plus 2 vertical if you want to mount your graphics card to be seen by the window. It is fairly large case and it is all white. We have some filtering on the front and places for up to 320 or 140 mm fans. And the PSU compartment is shrouded, so you don't see the mess of cables here. You have a cutout in there for if you want to mount a large water cooler, and you have a complement of 3 USB ports. One of them is USB 3 and 2 are USB 2 ports. Audio and buttons. Hold on. The cables are nicely tucked with straps, and you can mount more straps. You have two 2.5 inch SSD drive cages on the back. You can mount them here or in the front. And you have a single place for regular hard drive. And a complement of screws and stuff. So that's it, nice looking white case, and it's not too expensive. It's about 50-60 bucks.